In this video, I am going to tell you how to make pen stand. It's not an ordinary pen stand. This pen stand will be made up of sellotape rolls which are empty when we have almost finished the tape, and it's very interesting and enjoying with the different medium. So let's start making it. These are two sellotape rolls of the brown tape of the broader one, or else you can use many tapes of smaller length so that it can come to an height. Now we need to stick this both with Fevicol. Now we need to stick, this is the circle of the length over here. I've cut it. Now we need to stick this over here. Now for it get to tight, for getting tight, we will add Fevicol over here on between this. It will get strong from this, then it won't come out. This was the newspaper I have cut. Now we need to add Fevicol over here and do the same. This part is done. Now we need to take our Fevicol and water and then just mix them both like this. I made this as a mixture of Fevicol and water, and we are using tissue roll, toilet paper roll. You can also use tissue. First you need to take one tissue. You need to put Fevicol. And in this, the tissue should look untidy so that it can get the effect. So I've done like this 2 to 3 times. Now it is all dry. Now we are coloring it to make it attractive and with colorful. I'm coloring it of yellow color. You can do anything as you wish. So it is dried. Now I'm taking this color and I'm taking this brush. Now we are going to put simple sprinkles on this so that it looks, it can be like a decorative type. First put the brush on your finger and then, can you see? Now this is a face I made from ceramic, and now I'm using this to decorate it and by pasting this on my pencil. So these are this is a Shilpkar. In that packet you will see 2 types of Shilpkar. We need to mix the both. Both in the same quantity. And then mix them properly. Make it in a circular shape. We'll press it. Add Fevicol. Take your Shilpkar, paste it over there. Again add the Fevicol on the Shilpkar. And then paste this. Looking beautiful. Isn't it looking beautiful? You can decorate it with your choices also. Like you want to put any the cartoonist creature, or else in your games it's broken, like it's a picture of Chota Bheem and you love like Chota Bheem, you can just paste that in this and make it. You can create your own creatures, paste them. It will look so nice. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon for more updates of my videos. Thank you.